Hi everyone, this is the continuation of our topic. So, affidavit of death, legal document used to attest that a person is dead, can only be created by someone who has first-hand knowledge of the person's death. 3 is usually used to claim insurance. So, kailangan na ito ni ang affidavit of death, no? So, the next is affidavit of good faith, filed to show that a good faith efforts have been made do something. So next is affidavit to use surname of father and acknowledgement. So instrument executed in order to use the surname of the father. So next is affidavit of consent and support. So the document that proves and declares that the affiants, the parents in this case, are giving someone else consent to do something and guaranteeing financial support to carry out the action. So kailangan consent, no? So the next is affidavit of service, a document through which one party, the process server, affirms that they have correctly served process on other party. And serving process means delivering certain documents to the target party. And affidavit of preliminary attachment. Preliminary attachment is defined as a provisional remedy issued upon order of the court, where an action is pending to be levied upon the property or properties of the defendant, therein the same to be held thereafter by the sheriff as security for satisfaction of whatever judgment might be secured in said action by the attaching creditor against the defendant. So, mao na siya ang preliminary attachment. So, the next is efficient use of paper rule, number 1194 SC. So, number 1, format and style all pleadings, motions, and similar papers intending for the court and quasi-judicial bodies consideration, and action shall be written in a single space with 1 1/2 space between paragraphs using an easily readable font style of party choice, 14 font size, and 13 inch by 8.5 inch white bond paper. Next is pleadings. Is the written statements of their respective claims in defense of the parties submitted to the court of appropriate judgment. Examples are complaint, answer, rely, and rejoinder. So, next is margins and prints. A left-hand margin of 1.5 inches from the edge and upper margin of 1.2 inches from the edge. A right-hand margin of 1.0 inch from the edge and lower margin of 1.0 inch from the edge. So that's all. Thank you for today.